How to add own songs to Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually add your own songs to Instagram story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So by the way, if I open up Instagram, if I go about creating a story for myself, right, I'll just choose a random photo here in this case. Then if I want to add music, I have to tap on sticker icon, but if I go to music, I can choose the music that Instagram provides me, but not the one that is on my phone. So let's say I have downloaded a music from somewhere else. I want to use that music for this specific photo or video, but you can see I don't have the option to actually add my own music. So to add our own music, what we have to do is we have to actually render our videos before we upload to our story with the music with any of the editor application. So basically I would recommend you InShot or CapCut if you have one. Those are some of the most popular ones, or you can simply actually add music and then actually go ahead and then download a specific application from the list. So for this example, I'm going to be using the InShot application, so I'm going to wait until the download process is complete and I'll show you how you can add your music to it. So once I've downloaded InShot, go ahead and then open it up. So we're basically going to create a new project by tapping on video, tap on allow. So now I'll just select the video on which I want to add music to my Instagram story here. Then once I've done that, first of all we have to choose the resolution, because this is not the resolution of Instagram story. So just tap on the canvas button here and you simply want to select something similar to Instagram stories such as this, or I'll simply select this type of flat resolution because this is how Instagram is actually going to work. So I'll just tap on done. Now to add a music, all I need to do is just scroll and then tap on the music button. I can simply choose to add a music by tapping the plus icon and then selecting the audio from any of the applications provided, or I can go to my music and then these are the songs that are downloaded on my gallery, right? So I'll just select a specific song that I want to add. I'll tap on use button. Now I'll select from when I want to start the song, basically, because I can pinch in and pinch out. You have to customize this yourself. And then once I've done that, I'll just tap on OK, I'll just tap on done, I'll just tap on save from the top right. Then after I've exported the video, I can just come to Instagram and then select the video that I just edited with the music, and then they will be uploaded to my story. But keep in mind that there isn't a direct way to do so. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.